Okay, short video. Replace the noisier fans and fitted those on. Bit of a dog's dinner. One, getting the bloody screws out of the top and then the side and back, just to get the metal plate off. And then oh gosh, and then it's taking some of this hot glue a little bit out of the way and then unclipping the terminals. The wires have got to be cut, and they got to be joined up with that connector, because the connectors on the ones that come with that are 3-pin, so I'm not using the other wire on here, which is down here. The wires are tinted. They're tinted up here, soldered, and then there's some heat shrink put over it. Next, all I have to do is connect them up. I'll put a little cable tie around it. I'll put a little cable tie on it. Power it up now, I think. Test it without the lid on, then test it with the lid on. The lid off and the lid on, yeah. Under, over and done. Or was it over, under, done? I can't remember which. Oh, yeah, I can see the fans moving. They don't sound loud as like the other ones do. I can feel cool air blowing. Okay. I've only got 7 more of these amplifiers to do.